Hey guys, what is up and welcome to my fitness and health series. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this delicious harvest bowl. If you live in Chicago, there is a restaurant called Sweetgreen and I have been obsessed with their harvest bowl, so I decided to make it. I found the recipe from Pinterest, which I'll link down below to give them some credit, but let me tell you guys, it's delicious. Alright, let's get started. All you need are 7 simple ingredients: sweet potato, wild rice, chicken, kale, apples of your choice, balsamic vinegar dressing, and my favorite, goat cheese. So that is all you really need. I got the majority from Whole Foods and Marianos. I'll have some of those foods linked down below. And if you're wondering, I got this goat cheese from Marianos and this is to die for. I love the texture and the creaminess, and it's just makes the harvest bowl complete. I like to start with the rice because, you know, that takes longer. All you gotta do is pour 1 1/3 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, and let it boil for 45 minutes. I start by washing and scrubbing the sweet potatoes because, you know, you gotta remove all that crustiness, and you know, it's COVID, so a lot of people touch it. Then I cut them up into small, even pieces to make sure that they all cook evenly, so that's important. So I start to lay these out on parchment paper on any cooking tray that you got, and I like to make 2 batches because it lasts me about like 2 weeks, and I think I used 4 sweet potatoes to make these 2 batches. Once I get that part done, I move on to the chicken, which is the easiest part of the meal prep. So here I am just washing my chicken. And then I lay the chicken on aluminum foil because that's what helps it retain the juiciness. And then after that, all I gotta do is just sprinkle some black pepper and salt for, you know, just a little extra flavor, a little extra oomph. Once they're done cooking, I like to take them out and, you know, give them a few minutes to cool down. And I cut the chicken into little pieces because, you know, I just want to get that out of the way and make it be ready for when I'm ready to make my harvest bowl. And now it's time to put it all together, you guys. So first, I start with kale, and then I add the chicken, the apples, the sweet potato, the rice, and then my favorite part is adding the goat cheese. This is honestly like my favorite part. And then, you know, sprinkle some dressing however much you want. That is basically it, you guys. Once you have the foods cooked, it is so easy and simple to put it together. It takes me about 3 minutes to make it, so super fast. It's super satisfying and delicious. It fills me up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next fitness video. Bye.